In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Alibaba.com effectively to find and purchase the products you need. Starting off, let's open our browser. We'll be using Chrome for this tutorial as it's widely accessible and user-friendly. Type in Alibaba.com in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the largest global marketplace for wholesale trade. If you're new to Alibaba, the sheer volume of products can seem a little overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to find the product you're interested in. There's a search bar conveniently located at the top, designed to help you quickly locate your desired items. Click into the search bar and type in a keyword or the name of the product you're looking for. To broaden your search, you can use terms that are general and related to the product, allowing the website's algorithm to suggest a variety of relevant items. Once you've typed in your product name, press enter and watch as the results populate in front of you. Now that you've got a list of potential products, the next step is to browse through those options until you find one that meets your needs. Take your time to scroll and investigate the different offerings. Pay attention to the product images, prices, and supplier ratings, as these can help make your decision easier. When you find a product that catches your eye, click on it to open its detailed page. This will provide additional information such as product descriptions, shipping details, and supplier specifications. As you explore the product page, you may need to adjust the quantity or select specific specifications such as size or color depending on what's available. These options are typically found near the product description. Make the necessary selections to ensure that the product you're ordering fully meets your requirements. Once you've tailored the order to your preferences, click the Add to Cart button. This little icon is usually located near the product's price. It temporarily holds your selected items as you continue shopping or finalize your purchase. Your cart should serve as a summary of your selections, allowing you to review all details before committing to the purchase. Before proceeding to checkout, it's crucial to review your cart. Double check to ensure that the quantity, specifications, and total price align with your expectations. This step helps avoid any surprises at checkout. Once satisfied, proceed to checkout where you will finalize your purchase. And that's it. With these straightforward steps, you can seamlessly browse Alibaba.com, select the products you want, and make your purchases confidently. Remember, patience is key, and with a little practice, you'll become more proficient at navigating Alibaba.com in no time. Happy shopping!